lovelies, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we will be cleaning my daughter's bedroom. She is 2 years old and she is a mess maker. She loves coloring right now, so she loves crayons, chalk, but the problem is, as you can see, is that she wants to get those everywhere. And at first I thought it was just chalk on there, which, okay, that's fine, that comes off easily. But what you'll see later in the video is that I found crown back behind her bed on the wall. So you'll get to see me trying to get that off. Luckily, magic erasers are magic. But yeah, so we will be cleaning my daughter's room, which, as you can see, is a total disaster. So I hope you get some cleaning motivation. I hope you, or if you're cleaning with me, I hope, we can get this done together. But yeah, let's get on into the video.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young.
So this toy box, my uncle actually made for her first birthday. So I really want to keep this toy box looking nice because I want her to be able to have it, forever basically. So, with her getting chalk and stuff on it, it doesn't look so nice, but at least chalk comes off easily, so not a big deal.
We can do what we like. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen.
up a lot of things that were back behind my daughter's bed, you know, just little toys or some crumbs and stuff. Like, I think she even had some baby wipes back there because she got into her baby wipes one day and just took them all out. So that was fun.
Stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told
And here is the lovely crown marks that I found back behind her bed. But yeah, Magic Eraser just easily wiped that right off for me. So I was very happy.
I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me?
And you'll see here in a moment, I'm moving her bed back and Melissa is in the room with me, and then proceeds to, yeah, she pushes the camera or the tripod onto me.
We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
And here she just had some more chalk on her bed. So I just took some Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and just sprayed it down. And so it easily came off.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why picture of you, a 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 picture of you. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again.
Alright, her room is all clean now, so that will be the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I hope you will think about hitting that subscribe button down below and joining our little YouTube family. But I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.